Today, we'll show you how to pair your Garmin Swim 2 with a fitness sensor. To do this, you will need the heart rate monitor and your Garmin Swim 2. You will start by putting on your heart rate monitor. Then on the watch, press and hold the up button to access the menu. Use the down button to scroll down and see more menu options. Select Sensors and Accessories. Then select Add New. Select Search All or External HR. Your watch will then start to search for your heart rate monitor. When your watch finds the sensor, you will see it listed on the watch. Use the Start button to select this sensor. When the pairing is complete, you will see a message display on your watch that says External HR Connected. Your watch is now paired with the sensor and you are ready to start your activity. Your heart rate monitor will automatically connect when worn for future activities. You will only need to go through this pairing process when you get a new sensor or change the battery. If using one of Garmin's heart rate monitors that stores heart rate data while swimming, such as the Garmin Swim, your Garmin Swim 2 can download heart rate data after the swim activity is complete. To download heart rate data from a swim, first ensure that your Garmin Swim is connected with the watch, then start the timer and complete your swim activity. When done with the activity, stop and save the activity. Your watch will automatically start searching for the stored heart rate data from the Garmin Swim. Once the watch has downloaded the heart rate data, you will see a message on the watch. Your watch will then save the activity and you can sync with the Garmin Connect app when you are near your phone. And that's it! You can now pair a heart rate monitor and download stored heart rate data on your watch. For more videos on setting up and using your Garmin Swim 2, visit the Garmin Swim 2 page at support.garmin.com.